something is harming the ecosystem and a potential collapse could be on the horizon. An example of an area where hellbenders used to be, where we saw some serious ecosystem collapse, would be the Cuyahoga River in Ohio. This river literally caught on fire at least 12 times in the mid-1900s, and the ecosystem is still trying to recover from the lack of management nearly a century ago. Hellbenders matter.
That's brown water. Oh, like 5 pounds on each foot. Let's go find them in the wild.
The Allegheny River system is incredibly unique, and some of its tributaries are among some of